So hello guys, in this particular video we are going to solve this Rubik's cube. We will record this and see that how much time will it take to solve me this Rubik's cube. Not making it too fast, let you understand it. So we will start real quick. So here's the first layer. We have done the first layer and the bottom layer as well. So we are turning to the second layer. Sorry. So now we have done the second layer. Here's my bottom layer. White is my favorite color in this cube, so I prefer white at the bottom and yellow at the top. So I have done the second layer of this cube. Now we will make a plus sign in between. So here it goes. So we have made a plus sign, and after that we have to put right corners. Firstly we will assemble it on the same color, so this plus is now forever in that area, and we will just let these corners match, and then our whole cube will be solved. So here are some formulas for that. So as you can see, the upper layer is also done, but not the corners. All corners are at the wrong position. Everything is perfect, but the corners are at the wrong position. Just one corner is placed rightly. This is the real quick, you can say, the correct measure to do so. One corner should be at the right position, and after that we will apply some so as you can see now, this corner here is on the right position, and every other corner is just twisted. So we will apply a formula for this. And our Rubik's cube is fully solved, whole solved, 6 sides all done. Thank you.